just a quick demo of what I'm hacking here. We have both Near AI and we have ChatGPT paid by these Arise tokens. And can you create a JavaScript that writes the prime numbers between 1000, for example, and we can ask ChatGPT, and from ChatGPT we get these nice streaming responses. Yeah, there we have the code. Yes, can you run it? And let's ask Near AI for that. We don't have the streaming responses from Near AI, but we should be able to run it at least, because we have now support for this thing called tools, OpenAI tools. So that's one thing that we can do here, but we also have other tools, and we can just reload the page and start with a blank conversation. And can you now create the JavaScript code for a web 4 page? It should say hello and the current date and the current account ID. And let's ask ChatGPT. So this is the code we want for the web 4 contract. Yes, please run it in the simulator. And let's try Near AI. We can, doesn't matter which one we ask, both works. So the only thing with ChatGPT is that we use these fungible tokens, and we can see there was an error in the script, and it tries to correct it. So it will try again to contact Near AI here and get the correction. So let's see what we get. Takes a little time to get the responses, and since we don't have the streaming, but here we go. We can see that it's still an error, so it's still retrying. So we just wait for it, and now, okay, still not happy with it. This is, well, this is the beauty of the AI, though. It can correct itself until it actually works, and now it did work. So now you can see that it was successfully created. And what we will do now is to let's keep this code here. We will just take it for the next conversation, and we will now ask to create an account where we can deploy this web 4 page. So can you create the account, let's call it Peter testing web for Near, for deploying for contract. And let's try ChatGPT for that then. And now we will get this, and we can see what it will actually create a new account. You can see this one, and with this public key, which will be in the local storage, so we can look up there if we want to delete this account. So, but let's just approve this transaction, and it will create this new account. It was like Peter testing web 4, so we can go here, Peter testing web4.near.page. And you can see we don't have the JavaScript code deployed, so we will go back here. Can you deploy this JavaScript code to Peter testing web 4? And we will just paste the JavaScript code that we had. Let's ask ChatGPT, for example. And now it's deploying this code. Let's see how it works. And it was deployed, and we can go to this page that we had, and now let's see. And now you can see it actually displays the as it should, so the current date. Let's also can you also display the current time. Let's ask near AI for that and see what happens. Just have to wait again. And now we got this, as you can see, current time, and it deployed it already, you can see. Let's go and see what do we have here now. Yeah, current time also, quite nice. And it updates also, so this is cool. So this is the power of tool calls which is part of the OpenAI API, but it's also supported by Near AI. And what you could see here that we could use both Near AI and ChatGPT for the same thing. As I've showed you in other demos, when using this ChatGPT, we are using this Arise tokens. It's a fungible token which is behind this contract here, arisecredits.near. So this is briefly what I'm hacking on right now. So you feel free to check it out. Thank you for watching.